All right, so we read our article, we read the vocabulary words, so now we are going to do our review page. So the review page says, number one, what is the paper about? So what do we read about? You can review back on your article or your vocabulary page. Did we read about Stress Awareness Month? Or is our article about right now? Stress Awareness Month, Greta Thunberg and Earth, or sharing happiness? So what is this week's article about? Because you have read all these articles actually. But this week in particular, we're reading about sharing happiness.
Sharing happiness.
Number two, what are people helping to stop the spread of? Coronavirus, butter, or gossip? So they're trying to stop the spread of which thing? The coronavirus.
Coronavirus.
And that is an article that we read about before. Coronavirus is what's making people really sick right now and what everyone is trying to avoid by staying at home, wearing masks, washing their hands frequently. Those are all really important. Number three, where are people sharing happiness? Where? Forests, deserts, neighborhoods. Where are they sharing this happiness? This is in your vocabulary words for the week. They are sharing happiness in neighborhoods.
Neighborhoods.
So remember, neighborhoods are where homes are in one part of one area. So maybe you could think about the neighborhood that you are currently living in and how you can share happiness in your neighborhood. Number four, what are people playing in their yards? We actually didn't read about this, so I'll tell you the answers. So the next two questions, I think, excuse me, sorry, my eye is a little itchy. The next three questions I'll answer because I'm not sure, I don't think they were in your article. They were in the other version of the article, but we can still talk about them. So, what are people playing in their yards? Checkers, musical instruments, or tennis? So, what's one thing that people are playing in their yards if they have one? I believe it's musical instruments.
Musical instruments.
Yeah. So, some people are just going outside and just playing their guitar, playing some music for their neighbors to listen to bring joy to their family. Number five, what are people drawing on with chalk? Roofs, sidewalks, or cars? So, a lot of people are drawing on sidewalks with chalks. So right outside their door, they're drawing like obstacle courses where like they do hopscotch or they jump or they run on a path. They also are just drawing pictures, painting or coloring. Number six, what kind of lights are people putting on their homes? So we did read about lights. Are they putting holiday lights, traffic lights, or night lights? And so if you look in your article, you should be able to see what kind of lights they are. They are putting holiday lights.
Holiday lights.
And that's to cheer people up when they maybe go for a drive and then at night to look around, they see a lot of holiday lights.